Hi, this video is going to be on types of nouns. So most commonly we think of nouns as objects, so things that we can see or touch, and these are referred to as concrete nouns. So we have things like pens, books, dogs, all objects that we can see in the world. And then we have abstract nouns too. So these differ to concrete nouns because they're more ideas. So things like freedom can be described as an abstract noun, and also things like success could be an abstract noun too. And then we have proper nouns. So these are things like names of places, names of people that require a capital letter. So like Sally or London, these all need a capital letter. And then finally we have pronouns, and these are used in place of proper nouns like names. So I, she, they. Thanks for listening.